over there.
Like that?
Yep. Yeah, guys.
Hey guys. So here Vista 2. Huh? Yeah, this. Have this color. Show it to Emmet. So Emmet is actually a green melange. So you need to be careful. Actually guys, this stroller is not for baby, it's actually for daddy. So we have the adapter. Ooh, I really like this one, the seat cover. So this one is the free one, right? And what's this?
Cup holder.
So cup holder. Let's unboxing the Vista 2, baby. So instead we have this. This one is really good. Reversible seat liner. So pag si baby malaki na, it's more comfort for baby. Yep. Let's put it here first. And this one is for another baby in the future. We have another baby. That one, nainitan si baby. And the other one is the cup holder. So very good for mommy and daddy. First, we have this, a bag. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, this is actually the bag ng bassinet at ng upuan. So, here you go. Ito yung upuan ng Vista. So, pwede siya pang malaki kay baby. Pwede pagtamas. So, we have 3 mode. 1, 2, 3. So, yeah. It's cool. And with this upuan, they have this. And this one is for the bassinet, guys. So I'll show you the bassinet. So, I really like it. Do you like it, honey?
Mm-hmm. I love the color.
So let me put this one on the side.
So,
Vista Baby has 3 years warranty. And this is what we're gonna use. For the meantime, because our little one, little chicky. Look at the back.
that's it.
Why did you pick green, hon?
It's unique. I really like the color. I really like the idea of green. Ang unique niya. Bira makita ng strong na green. That's the bassinet, guys. Let me just put this one on the side. Star of the night. so gulong. Nice. Let me just put this in.
Bakit ka merong mas sa legs?
This one. Safety first. Because COVID-19. So all the mesh. One thing I really like in this baby, the handle. It's very unique and fancy. Oh, guys. You don't know what's this. What's this
For
one?
rain.
Oh, may rain clothes siya, guys. Pag umulan, may lalagay yan. Let's put that one here. And another one. Another gulong. So we can put the raincoat here. And guys, we'll see. Yep. This is our UPPAbaby Vista 2 and with the emmet green. It's actually nice. I really like the color. It's very unique, guys. If you see in person, you will fall in love. You will fall in love. And also, update, we actually bought a blue one. So earlier today, we thought we can't get the green one, but the lady from Baby Bunting, check here their website. They make the way so we can get the green one. So yun nga. So very recommended siya. It's so good. So let's assemble it. We need this one. Let's take this one out first. We need to do the thing. Only one. This one. Yun. And then this one. You could actually do so it's locked. So this is the unlock button. So we put it like this. Press the button here. Okay, so next, do you hear that? Did you hear that? Again, you will hear this. That's it. Kung gusto mong tanggalin, hindi ko na alam paano tanggalin. So, lock button yun. You wanna remove the wheels. This button, you need this one, you need to press it like that. But you can put it. So, this button is actually it's a lock. Kung ayaw, if you don't want wiggling. So let's put that way first. And then the next step. Button. There's button here. So if you wanna put here. So if you wanna take out, just push the button. Very easy, guys. Oh, it's so easy. You just need to. That's it. Another one. Here you go. This one? Not very big, which is actually very classic. Classic siya, classic. Kasi hindi siya nakikita. So, that's the whole front. So, footage natin. So, meron siyang, look guys, they have water bottle, big storage room, very, I don't know, ganito yata siya. It's everything washable, I guess. So, everything is washable, guys. So, it's a spring. It's actually spring, guys.
Hindi makita.
See it?
Hindi makita. Yan. Yan.
It's actually spring, so it's so great. Shock absorber, guys. Look at this shock. We need to do this. Flash all the metal support inside. So let's do it. Doing the yep. 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 Naka-flash siya. So, I don't know why. But, yep, naka-flash siya ganyan. And then, let's put the mattress. They are all washable, guys. Like, see? So, if your baby keep wee wee. Yep, that's and we can do that. So that's it. Nakita mo yun? Did you see it? Again. Yan na. If you wanna take this bassinet, you just need to click this one.
Wait.
Click this one. Make sure. Boom. UPPAbaby.
Make sure naka-green siya din.
Naka-green siya. Make sure everything is green.
Kasi nag-remind pa ba? Diba?
So, yeah. That's the bassinet mode, guys. Very easy. I'll show you. You wanna put baby inside. Come here. Put Emmanuel. Put Emmanuel here. I hope he will like it. It's moving. So, guys, before you put your baby for safety, you need to lock it. Emmanuel. Side the bassinet. There you go. And we're ready to go. So I'll see you around. And that's it. Come on, honey. oops. Ito yung one more thing. You have to take that so you guys can maneuver like that. Look, come on. Come on, Ate. So, you need to, I guess he likes it. So you need to put something on it. Pero everything is washable naman. So you don't have to. I guess you just need to put pillow, honey. For bassinet. So you can go jogging now and walk around in Mountain Lake for a baby sleeping. So maybe maybe on Sunday or next week, holiday day of course, we're going to jogging. So yep. And always remember, safety first. So ito lang yun guys, oh. Yep, like that. Then, ganyan siya. Nalagay mo na siya sa kotse. You can put your bag here, some toys, some accessories. Yeah, this one is extra liner.
Seat
So,
liner.
very good siya. So, you can put here. Kasi medyo hindi siya ganong kalambot. It's not soft. So, yeah. Did they break it?
No. That's the seat belt.
That's a seat. Very heavy. Very nice. Baby. So, you can actually do that. Be like that. This one. See? Like that. Like that. So he can be like a bassinet too. So I guess when he is old, he can be like this.